Okay guys, welcome back to another video. This video we're gonna take apart this lamp to show you the electronics and some modifications that I did. Basically, I upgrade the battery, I secure the wiring, and I clean up a little bit the electronics inside since it was a little bit messy. So the first thing that what you want to do is just get rid of this hook here for right now. You will need like a Phillips head screwdriver. So you have 4 screws down here, and you can see them 1, 2, 3, and one on the other side 4. So let's take those apart. It's pretty quick, just 4 screws there, 1, 2, 3, and the last one goes in this way here, and 4. So once that you do that, this whole array of the lights, you can see it come out. And one good thing about this specific lamp, they took the chance and they put a connector down here. So you unplug the connector and then the screws just save it here so they don't get lost. Here we go, 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't put magnetic thing so the screw doesn't get all over the place. Here we go. And then you have this part, which is the lights are. Originally this thing was a mess, the cables was rolled all over the place, and they was actually pinched by the hinge system. So I rewrote it where they're supposed to go through there and put some hot glue on it. I don't know if you can see, guys. I put some hot glue so the cable doesn't move around. So that is the bottom part where is all the lights. Now let's take a quick peek to the lights. Basically, you take any picker tool. See, in this side here is like a, and you can see it's like a little tap there. So that's where you want to pop this thing in. It's a little bit annoying. I don't want to deny you. There we go. By the way, in the process to open it, you need to be careful because this thing will be moving all over the place. I don't know why they don't put one screw there to hold this board, since it looks like should have done a screw there, but no screws there. So this is gonna be bouncing all over the place, and this can, when you're playing with it, can come on out of the hinge system. Okay, so let's go back here. I already primed it a little bit. I finish it up to pop it out. So you pop it out, we have just a basic LED one, positive here, comes around to this LED. So from here goes in series to this guy. So it's 3 LEDs goes in series to these guys. 1, 2. Actually, everybody's in parallel here. Sorry, because this is the positive side. This one here is the negative side that goes to this side. So all the LEDs are in parallel here. Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3 is 9. That says that it's like a half a watt a pop. So I don't know the specifications, but we have to look at it. So you have 9 4 times plus, let's see what we have in the middle. Sorry guys, sometimes I get annoyed. Here we go. And the same type of word, so all of them are exactly the same. So it's 9 5 times, that is 45 LEDs. Sorry, it's not a 60 LED light, it's just a 45 LED light. But as you guys saw in my previous video, it does do the trick though. It's pretty bright for what, at least for what I needed. It works. By the way, this thing have like a specific position. So you have a notch in there, and you can see it. The notch is in there. Oh, this screw is loose. Let's tighten this screw a little bit more so this thing is not wobbling all over the place. That is tight. Like I say, they could put a little bit more effort in this light, but it's not terrible. Okay, so that is on. Let's put this guy in again. So it's back on. So it's a 45 LED light. So okay, so let's put this in the side for right now. Next thing is our body. So the body, to open it, as you can see there inside, you see already the two batteries that I put on it, because originally it came only with one battery. So you have 3 screws, 1, 2, 3. So quickly, 1, 2, 3. It'll come up pretty easy. Take it off. This thing coming up complete, and then you have the electronics with the battery. So previously this thing came only with one battery, and the battery was basically buried inside there like that, just like exactly like that, with the hot glue in the back. The negative cable was welded to the battery in the bottom. The battery I showed in my previous video was this battery, was welded back there, and then the positive just welded in the top here. So I replaced it with 2 good batteries. These ones are LG batteries. These ones are overkill, these ones. But right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna replace this battery pack. I'm gonna replace it with the one that I created, with 2 2500 milliamps hour batteries, so I can get more time out of the batteries. Okay, so now I'm gonna replace the batteries really quick. Just remove this guy here, remove this guy out of here. That's it, now it's dead, no battery. Before I put the battery, I'm gonna show you the cables welded to the solar panel. There was no hot glue. I put the hot glue to secure the cable because it was so flimsy that can break anytime, any vibration, anything could break it. So I put it there. Let me show you the board. Pretty simple, nothing crazy. The electronics, this thing don't have charging. So it's supposed to be charging with 5 volts. It's a little bit dangerous because you don't want to put these batteries more than 4.2. So you need to pay attention when you're charging it, guys. Just as soon as you see that this thing is full charge, I would recommend that just unplug it. Okay, so this is the electronics. This is what it seems to be like, some kind of atmosphere, I'm assuming. The circuitry is sanded, so you cannot read nothing on it. Couple diodes with the power coming in to stabilize. A little transistor here just to control the output that goes to the lighting. A switch for the mode. That this guy, I would think that is more than MOSFET, is more like a microcontroller. That is the one who do the pulse, the battery stuff. So that's probably some kind of microcontroller. I don't know what is it, to be honest with you guys. So as you can see, that's the board model there. Let me try to put it so you guys can see it. Let me see if I can zoom in. Here we go. You can see. Oops, sorry, it's backwards. Okay, here we go. No, yeah, here we go. So that is the model. So like I was saying, you have 4 LEDs, the LEDs that show you there, the microcontroller, the port, and the switching. Okay. So okay, guys, I just put the board back because I wanted to keep the video short as possible. So this is the plus of the battery, minus of the battery. So I'm gonna reattach this battery here, put it on, so I can get it how I want it, and that would be it. So basically, let's talk a little bit quick before the video is over. I don't like that they don't have any kind of protection of the battery, because they just pretty much send the power straight to battery through copper resistors to drop the voltage, I assume, using resistor copper diodes. So that is not like any good protection circuit for charging the LiPo battery. So definitely you guys need to be careful with these things. Don't leave it unattended for the whole day without looking at it. When you're charging, at least using the 5 volts. Pretty cheap, pretty simple. So just finish to reattach the battery. Good. So now let's give it some little bit of organizing the wires a little bit. Here we go. So nothing is in the middle of the body. And now I'll put this in back. By the way, I'm gonna test it out because the last time I have no need to glue the batteries because was the casing, but right now they're wobbling, so I'm gonna put some hot glue on it, close it up, and that will be it, guys. So I put some hot glue in the wires so they are safe in the vibration, so they don't break or anything like that. I put in the terminals and the battery. So now I'm just going to put some here to secure the battery to the case. Pretty much that will be it. So the battery doesn't come out of the scene. There we go. Some hot glue there. Anyway, my intention is not opening the scene no more once that I do this. Okay, so that should make the trick. Keep it safe. So now I'm gonna do some quick test to be sure that everything's fine. Here we go. Bright and shine. Alright. So after we screw the top in the here, we attach the power cable again. We put this guy here. Then we just put all the 4 screws, so we should be good to go. Okay guys, I put the 4 screws, it's back together. So fully working. Okay guys, so remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and I see you guys in another video. Have a good night. Bye.